We interrupt your programming. You are listening to the emergency alert system. This message is broadcasted at the request of the United States government and the Department of Homeland Security. The terrorist group known as Antifa has threatened to rebel against the government. Antifa is linked to ideologies such as anarchism and communism, which means they are a serious threat to this country and its allies. There have been numerous reports of violent protests demonstrated by this group, and more of these kinds of protests are occurring right now in multiple cities across the continental United States. These cities include, but are not limited to, San Francisco, New York City, Washington, D.C., and Los Angeles. It is now advised that all citizens of this country seek shelter immediately. If you are indoors, stay indoors. Lock all doors, barricade all windows, and stay hidden. If you are outside, go to the nearest building. If you have a weapon such as a gun, use it to defend yourself in the event that these terrorists find you. It is advised that you stay sheltered until the all-clear is declared by a civil authority. The United States National Guard and the United States Army will confront these terrorists. Stay tuned to your current station as more updates on the situation become available.